Hey YouTube, today I'm reviewing the Polisport baby carrier for bicycles. Basically there's three main types of bike seat for babies that you can clip to a bike. The first one goes on the front part of the frame here and comes with a screen. I really wouldn't recommend that because the most accidents I've had have been with a collision of something in front of me, usually a car door swinging open. So I wouldn't want one of my kids to take the impact from the front, so I really don't recommend that one. The second one you can get is one that clips directly onto this back rack. The downside of that is that you definitely have to have a back rack, and if your bike doesn't have one then you need to go out and get one and install it. But the one that I'm reviewing today, this model, clips onto the middle of the frame here. You can see this red and black thing here. You screw that on, it's 4 screws, and then this clips on and it's got 2 notches holding it in place. The advantage of this model is that you have 2 levels of security. It's attached to the frame here, but if you can also get one of these racks underneath, it's even more secure, because what you can do then is add a bungee cord, an elastic thread from the back rack up, and you can clip it on, or if there's a hole on it you can thread it through and bring it back down, and that really holds the seat in place. If you're going over any potholes or bumps on the road, the kid won't feel it. Without that, however, it can vibrate a little bit. So this model costs around 40 euros online. I've seen it 40 euros on Amazon, but in all the shops I've been in it was 60 euros. So that's my second tip. It's to buy it online before you need it. Don't wait until the last minute and then you'll end up paying more in the shops. A couple of things I like about this model is that even when they update it, because you can see I've got a couple of them, they still always fit in the same fitting. So what that means is you can buy them and put them on different bikes and then swap them around, leave it, take the seat off, leave it somewhere else, use another one from home, and so on. So I have it on 2 bikes, and then I can take 2 of my kids and change it around. One of the things I didn't like about this way of transporting kids is just that the child is very exposed to the elements. If it starts raining or it's windy, the kid's going to get cold and wet, basically. Even when you put a blanket around them, it can be miserable if it's raining. So you see in my other video where I reviewed the green carriage, they're completely protected from the weather. With this it's the opposite, they're very exposed. And also there's always a slight worry that if you get in a collision from the back or if you fall off the bike, they're still a bit exposed to hitting the street on their side. That being said, I give this product a 8 out of 10 because it's very inexpensive, 40 or 60 euros to transport a child around. You can use it up to there around 15 kilograms depending on their height and whether you have that rack underneath. Like I said, you can, if it's a small girl, you can get away with it up to when she's 4 years old. So it can be used for quite a long time and it's very durable as well. So as I said, 8 out of 10. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out my other ones on transporting children by bike. If this has been useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in making money from second-hand bikes and accessories, then check out my ebook below. Thanks.